What's up everyone, and welcome back to Instagram Basics. In this series we go over all the things that you need to know in one place. Quick, easy tutorials so you can run and manage a perfect Instagram account. So today we're going to be going over how you can repost videos and pictures on Instagram. We're going to be talking about feed posts and the new feature Reels. So if social media marketing interests you, then please consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date and watch the latest videos that I release. Maybe you're running an Instagram theme page or you're running a personal page and you just want to repost someone's content. This is how you do it. I highly advise that you stay and watch this video right until the end because I'm going to be going over exactly how you repost and exactly how you go about it without breaking any rules. It's possible that you can lose your accounts. I've actually lost accounts by reposting incorrectly, so I highly recommend that you watch until the end of the video. Let's just jump onto my phone and you can follow me along. So we're going to jump onto Instagram. This is one of my backup personal pages, so we'll just use this for the example. We're going to go on search. We're going to search maybe travel or traveling. And there we go, a nice coastal road. We're going to press these three dots in the top right, copy link, then we're going to go over and we're going to go to the Repost app. Now you can just download this from any app store, both on Android and on iPhone. Just type in Repost app, download it, it's free. You'll see it come up there, click on it, share, and now you'll have the option for stories or feed. For this example, we're just going to click feed, make it bigger, next, and here you just paste it. It's already copied to your clipboard, so it gets copied to your clipboard automatically. You paste it in. Here what I like to do, I like to change the posted to follow, then I put in here my Instagram handle, and then always make sure that you leave the original content creator's information there. You can leave what they ask. You want to contact the content creator and just ask if they're okay with you posting. You can fire out these messages, 10, 20 a day, so you'll have loads of content that you can do. Ask them, they'll say yes. They always say yes because they want the exposure, but you just need to do that to make sure that being legit and doing exactly following the guidelines basically. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to hit the share button. And there you go, that's it. It's posted to your account, you have it, it's done. It really is as simple as that. So you want to use the new feature Reels. It's a little bit different, but it's very simple to do. We're going to go on there, find there you go, there's a video, do the same thing, copy link, we'll go back over to the repost, we'll go back, wait for that to load, smash that, press share. And from here, we just want to close out of it, but it doesn't have the option right now to post Reels. You wanna go to your page, press the little plus button, click on the reel, you'll see it there, bottom left. Here, you want to scale it, you want to press add. What I like to do is, if it has audio, just so there's no copyright issues, just pick a song of your choice, press next, next again. Caption is exactly the same as before, change this to follow, then to your brand name, whatever it is, and then share. And it's as simple as that. And that's it, you're done. You've reposted. Now you know how to repost, so all you have to do, go onto the App Store, download the Repost app, and get cracking. So now you know how to repost your images, your videos, and your Reels, and even your stories. But what we need to make sure now is that we get explicit consent from the original content creators. That way, you're not gonna get your account banned, you're not gonna get any legal issues. So all you have to do, just leave a comment on the images, or just send them a DM, and basically what I do is I just ask if they're okay if I use basically all of their content, and then ask what they want, if they want if they want a link to their website, whatever they want, just ask them if they can use the content from their Instagram page, and then that way you don't need to ask for every single post. You can just ask that one time, they're gonna say yes, and then you can just use their account basically and just keep reposting. So just do that to make sure that you follow fair use policies of basically the world. So yeah, once you have permission, use the app, smash it onto your account, and there you go, Bob's your uncle. You've reposted something. I hope this video was super informative, and if you got a little bit of value and you like these Instagram basic series, smash that subscribe button, and if you did, I'll see you in the next video.